again mga ka-TikNik! To Burma's in the year 2020 and also known as the start of the country's Christmas season. And of course, these worldwide festivities will never be complete without the majestic parade of delicious foods. Whether it be simple or extravagant celebration, food play an important part in all nations of the world, regardless of culture or religion. So, let's start this Burma making a simple dish that you can effortlessly prepare but taste like it was cooked by a professional chef. And TikNik TV is here again to show you how to do it. For the simple recipe, the beef taco, we need beef, tortillas, olive oil, cumin, onions, parsley, cilantro, tomato, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, and some lettuce. First step, for much more tasty result, marinate your beef with olive oil mixed with finely chopped parsley, cumin, cilantro, salt, and black pepper. You can marinate your beef for an hour or overnight. And in this frying pan, let's put first some olive oil mixed with minced parsley, or you can also use a plain cooking oil. Then, let's put the sliced onion. Next is the bell pepper. You can also use other variety of bell pepper and colors. Then, add the marinated beef. Saute a bit, then we will simmer this until it's cooked. While we are cooking our beef, let's prepare the toppings for our taco. And it's made of some fresh chopped tomatoes, onion, cilantro, and of course, some olive oil. Let's not forget to squeeze some lemon juice into it to balance those flavor. And if you want to give this taco salsa a different taste too, let's try to put some cumin instead of black pepper. Mix it all together. You can use your hand to mix this if you want, or you can simply use a spoon. It's up to you. In Mexico, where our recipe originally came from, they call these toppings pico de gallo, literally means beak of a rooster. Some believe this is because it was originally eaten by pinching between the thumb and finger, making the shape of a rooster's beak. Makes sense. And now, our beef is already cooked. Let's add some cheese. Yummy! And this recipe will not be complete without the tortillas or the taco shell. You can buy this in the frozen section in any grocery store. Let's fill this in with beef, some lettuce, and top with our cumin flavored salsa or the pico de gallo. And here is your beef taco with pico de gallo salsa. And now we go to our favorite part. Alam nyo na, the taste test. And of course, as we are a pure-blooded Filipino, rice is life to us. Well, no one will stop you. Pwede nyo ring gawing ulam ang recipe na ito. Walang bawal. Do as you please. So, paano mga ka-TikNik? See you sa next video. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang napakasimple at napakadaling gawin ng recipe na ito. Just follow every step and now you can cook like a professional chef. Don't forget to like, share our videos, comment below, share your experience cooking this recipe. Mag-subscribe at i-on ang notification bell para kayo ay updated always. Sa ating next recipes, bye for now! See you soon!